Hey guys, Chad with BAKO'S Custom Lawn doing a little audio voiceover here. Just a small job we had here. Well, it was kind of a big job, but yeah, we removed all these trees from the fence line, kind of growing in with the vinyl fence, and kind of before pictures, and then as we progressed down it, got them all removed, and as you can see, they're almost done, and there's the completed project. So anyway, like and subscribe if you like these videos, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.